Namaste. In last class, we learned rounding of numbers and Roman numerals, addition and subtraction of Roman numerals. Now, I will start the second chapter. Chapter name is Operations on Large Numbers. Do you know the basic operations in mathematics? Yes. How many basic operations are there? Yes, 4. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I think you already learned, isn't it? Yes. First topic is addition. What are the terms used in addition? Yes, in all together, sum, total. In all together, sum, total. Now we are going to discuss about addition of large numbers. Okay, see. Find the sum means addition. Okay, sum of 2 crore 24 lakh 69,732 and 4 crore 93 lakh 44,483. By seeing the comma, we can identify that this is an Indian system of numeration. Okay, see, the comma is from the right side after 3 digit, then again 2 digit, again 2 digit, then. Okay, this is an Indian system of numeration. Okay, see the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. After 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Once again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay, see. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 is here, 1 is balance. Then 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 is here, 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 4, 1 is balance. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Here 2 plus 9, 11. 1 is balance. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Next one is properties of addition. Here there are 3 properties are there. Okay, 3 properties are there. What are they? Commutative property, associative property and additive identity. See, in commutative property, suppose the order of the number will change, does not change the sum. Okay. Suppose the order of the number will change but does not change the sum. Okay. Here for example 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 7. Here 4 plus 3. 7. The order changed but the sum is equal. Okay. Next one is associative property. In associative property, regrouping of numbers change the addition, does not change the sum. Regrouping of numbers change the addition, does not change the sum. Here 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Here 2 plus 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Regrouping of numbers does not change the sum. Next one, additive identity. Sum of a number and zero is number itself. Sum of a number and zero is number itself. Here 0 is the additive identity. Next topic is the subtraction. Here also we have to find the difference between two large numbers. Okay, for example, here find the difference between 6,50,80,385 and 3,98,93,257. Okay, this one also Indian system of numeration, isn't it? Yes. See the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Okay. Subtraction. 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. So we take 1 in left side. Here 8. We take 1. So here 7. Here 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Then 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Then 0 minus 3, is it possible? No. So we take 1 in left side. Here 8, we take 1, balance 7. Here 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Then 7 minus 9, is it possible? No. So we take 1 in left side. Here 0, not possible. Here 5. We take 1. Here balance 4. This one is here. Here 10. 1 we take. Here 17. 17 minus 9, 8. Then 9 minus 8, 1. Then 4 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So we take 1 in left side. That means here 5, here 14. 14 minus 9, 5. Then 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Next one. Properties of addition. Here. First one. Property of 0. 0 is subtracted from a number, any number, answer is number itself. Okay, 0 is subtracted from a number, answer is the number itself. Then, a number is subtracted from that number itself, answer is, difference is 0. A number is subtracted from a number itself, difference is 0. Okay, these two properties are in subtraction. Next topic is multiplication. Before studying this topic, you have to study the multiplication tables from 1 to 12. You should study. You already learned. Now also just revise it. Okay. Then only you have to solve easily. Otherwise it's too tough. Okay. For example, see. Find the product of 3148 and 128. Here, 8 8s are 64. 4, 6 is balance. Then 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 8, 3 is balance. Then 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 is balance. Then 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Next, 2 8s are 16. 6. 1 is balance. 1 is balance. 2 eggs are 16, 1 is balance. Then 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2 ones are 2. Then 2 threes are 6. Here 1 8 is 8. 1 4 is 4. 1 1 is 1. Then 1 3 is 3. Next, we have to add this. Here 4. 8 plus 6, 14. 4, 1 balance. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 9, 8. 11 plus 8, 19. 9, 1 balance. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2, 1 balance. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 balance. Then 1 plus 3, 4. And next topic is properties of multiplication. Here, change in order of the numbers in multiplication does not change the product. Change in order of the numbers in multiplication does not change the product. Here, 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 5, 20. Okay. The next one. Product of three numbers does not change with change in regrouping. Okay. Here, 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24. Here, 4 into 2 into 3, 6. 6 4s are 24. Okay. Both are same. Both the sides are same. Next. Product of any number by 1 is number itself, and product of any number by 0 is 0. Then product of two odd numbers is an odd number. Then product of two even numbers is an even number. These 6 properties are in multiplication. Okay. Here I forgot to tell you one thing. Listen. In this problem, 3148 is the multiplicand and 128 is the multiplier. Then answer is the product. Okay. Then next topic is division. See the first question. Divide 96,558 divided by 135. 96,558 divided by 135. Here, first you take this first digit. First digit is smaller than this divisor. Here, this is the dividend. This one is the divisor. The first digit is smaller than this divisor. Okay. So, you take two digits. 96. 96 also smaller than this divisor. Okay. Next you take 965. 965 is bigger than this divisor. So we take 965. 965 plus how many 135? We have to find. See. First you check 135 6 times or 6 times. What is the answer? See, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 balance. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 1, 2 balance. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 810. Here 965. One more number. That is 135 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 balance. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4, 3, 24, 4, 2 balance. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 944. Here 964. So we take 7 times 945. 5 minus 5, 0. Then 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. When you take this 5 is here, 205. Next, 135 is 135. 235s are 270. Here only 205. So we take 135 is 135. That is 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 minus 3 is not possible. We take 1 in left side. Here 2. We take 1. 1 is balance. Here 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 1 minus 1, 0. Then you take this 8 is here. 708. Now we check this 708 has how many 135? 708. How many 135? So 135 we will go for 5 times. Check. First we check 5 times. 5 is 25, 5. Then 2 is balance. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7, 1 balance. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 674. Here 708. Then 6 times we will get the answer more than 708. That is not possible. So we take 675. 675. 8 minus 5, 3. 0 minus 7 is not possible. So we take 1 in left side. Here 7. We take 1. Balance is 6. Here 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Then 6 minus 6, 0. Here, this is the remainder. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. 33 is the remainder and 96,558 is the dividend. Then 135 is the divisor. Okay. Here 5 times 675. 708 minus 675, 33. 5 times 600. 5 times 674. Here quotient. This 715 is the quotient. Now you want to check the answer. Whether the answer is correct or wrong, you have to check this way. Here, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You want to check? Now you check. Here, dividend equal to 96,558. Divisor 135 into quotient 750 plus remainder 33. Okay. 135 into 715. 135 into 715. Here, 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 is here, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 7, 1 is balance, then 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6, then 1 5 is 5, 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1, then 7 3s are 15, 5, 1 balance, sorry, 7 3s are 35, 5, 3 balance. Then 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 4, 2 balance. Then 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Here 5, 12, 2, 1 balance. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5, 1 balance. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. Then here 9. Here we get 96,525 plus 33. Plus 33. What is the answer? 8, 5, 5, 6, 9. Here 9, 6, 5, 5, 8. Here and here, here and here the same answer. So your answer is correct. That is 715 quotient. The quotient 715 is correct answer. Here both the answers are same. So your quotient 715 is the correct answer. Okay. Next one, properties of division. Okay. Here, when a number is divided by 1, answer is number itself. Okay. Then, when a number is divided by number itself, answer is 1. Then, a 0 is divided by any number, quotient is 0. Answer is 0. 0 is divided by any number, answer is 0. Then, any number divided by 0 is not defined. Okay. Today we have studied 4 basic operations. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Then first topic is addition. From that one we have to study how to add large numbers. Then properties of addition. After that subtraction. How to find difference in large numbers we have to study, isn't it? Then after that properties of subtraction. Then multiplication. That one also we have to study how to multiply two large numbers. And after that properties of multiplication. Then finally division. That one also we have to study how to divide a large number. How to divide a large number. Okay. Then after that properties of division. Today's topic is completed. Namaste.